Okay, we should be live yet again. Also, why is there no music? Oh, here we go. Um, and like, my stream schedule is something. Also, suggest me a wallpaper. Also, I should probably mark some things off. I did some things. That. Okay, we're live. Also streaming today. Surprising. Oh no, that's gonna be a bit annoying. But whatever. Like, actually, why is Godot's focus broken? Completely broken. I wish I could do something about it. Anyway, let's see. Oh, home. Yeah, I've been doing many things in the background, but not much about this specifically. So what do we have right now? Ooh, Wojtek, hello there. Okay, Rust up. Actually, I'm gonna ref home. Cache, Harg, Rust up. I'm gonna get rid of Rust up. Pretty good delay, cause well, we don't have Rust. We don't have Rust toolchain, and let's default nightly. Let's install the toolchain. And yeah, I have nightly by default. Oh, ads, right. Well, I mean, you gotta have ads unless you want mid-roll, wait, pre-rolls, which fire like without a schedule. Although I don't really earn money from ads. Anyway. We get to have channel points and other cool stuff. Anyway. We're downloading stuff. Now let's do Rust up. Component add Rust Analyzer, cause we need Rust Analyzer, right? And do we have tool chain? We have nightly channel and we have our components. So it should download the components itself, right? Which magically disappeared. Magically disappeared. Wait, what? Why is it? What's so magical about it disappearing? Like, why did I write it like that? Whatever. Okay. Let's see. It's taking so long. 100. Oh, focus changed. Well, that's good, I guess. So yeah, we're installing Rust Analyzer, and here we go. Now let's do the test. We'll have to recompile things because version of Rust changed. 21 crates. Wait, that's so little. Crashed? What crashed? I don't think anything crashed. I've dropped a few frames because we've been compiling, downloading stuff. Let me check stats. I mean, not dropping anything now. Yeah, it should be fine now. Now. Method locator source. Oh, we've updated. Well, that's because downloading Rust and stuff, and it was glitching for me. a little bit. Anyway, locale resource is not a thing anymore. Well, whatever. We updated the compiler. It changed. Stuff changed. That's why using like nightly Rust C is something. Okay, locale resource. We don't even have locale resource anymore. We didn't even have it before. Can we get... It's gonna take a little bit of time. No, I wonder if that's enough. I wonder if they just decided to get rid of locale resource. And how are we going to localize stuff in again? No. Come on. Hold up. Rust Analyzer is doing stuff. Rust Analyzer is catching stuff, building stuff. It's gonna take a bit of time. I wish there was like somewhere I could look at the progress, as like show me the crates that they're being indexed. But you know, Rust Analyzer is actually not that bad. Okay, so yeah, we've got this code generated. Good enough, I guess. MRN OOBYT. Sorry, I have no idea how to pronounce your name. Hey on the YouTube chat. In the YouTube chat. Okay. Why is this extra blue? This wasn't as blue before. Like actually. This is so noticeable. This is so out of place. Whatever. So that was enough. But I wanna know. Why. How? Like why did they get rid of locale resource? I mean, good for me, I guess. I'm not localizing my backends any soon. Anyway, so today I wanted to complete development set of I mean, I'm on NixOS 2511 on my laptop, which is not a very good laptop, honestly. But I mean, it works. I'm lacking RAM, apparently. 5 gigs is not enough. I have 16 gigs of swap, just because 5 gigs is not enough, apparently. Yeah, I'm using Helix. Oh, jump to definition works. And if you want, you can find my dot files in here. Why is it full with 3-seater query? Wait, what? Okay, you gotta see this. Like, why? It's all just 3-seater. What is so... Oh, STM scheme files are 3-seater query. I mean, Helix, I have barely changed anything in Helix. Yeah, I have this stuff, but that's schemes, that's like from the PR. You switch rare from layer stack to... Oh, wait, I read it as USB to subsystem based. I have no idea what this means, to be honest. As in, you don't have layers, you have subsystems still. Yeah, but languages. And Vim and Helix are similar. A little bit. Helix does not really allow for plugins yet. Well, Helix's language server support, it just is there by default. Like, actually, I can show you. Config Helix. Helix. Why do I have so many scheme files? All the themes Nigel like asked me to to use. Okay, so language is normal. All of that, you don't need that. I have a lot of stuff here because I want to use Wokatime. And just to use Wokatime, I have to redefine all of the languages. And while I'm at it, why not just add the tabs, indentation, like stuff. So I have to redefine all the languages because I need to redefine all the language servers to include not only the default one, but also Wokatime. And also I have like Rust Analyzer config. Rust's auto format is default. Like, okay, I have Rust Analyzer config to discover Rust C source. I have no idea if this actually does anything. I don't remember if that really fixed the issue, but it was meant to be like to assist me with compiler development. Then I have ASM LSP, which I think is default. Auto format is default. Like, what do you mean? Rust's auto format is default. Like, Rust's auto format is one of the best auto format stuff. And like, yeah, if you look at my Rust language, it's just Rust Analyzer and Waka time, and Rust Analyzer is default, and I don't even have, well, I have like one override. I have Rust C source again. I also have Pyrite. I don't remember, it should also be default. Steel language server, yes, and Waka time, obviously. Hi Kuko. Vanguard, you renamed Rare. Okay, so is Vanguard a new Rare or a new project? Yeah, I also been doing a lot of Linux stuff recently. As in, I am getting to know the Linux kernel, like actually. So yeah, it's gonna be fun when I go back to. Yay, Davninia, hi. It's gonna be fun when I go back to. Oh, not go back to, when I just decide to work on Satan again. I'm just gonna port a bunch of Linux features which I liked there, I guess. Kinda. I'm also, my respect for Linux kernel is growing, and also I'm like, oh, C is actually great, a great language. It's like, it has so much potential, and the ways people use it are insane. Also, I'm gonna put my plushie in it. Just why not? Glenda or Hair? No, that's Glenda. You can get Glenda, by the way. Punch Glenda. Hopefully it's not gonna destroy. Oh, Glenda is strong. Wow. I'm gonna need like a couple of hits. Wow, it's not. Wait, what? I think I'm gonna be able to catch it with that much XP. The game engine project is private for now. It will make it open source soon. You dropped Rare because the architecture was bad. Yeah, it happens. But I mean, like, rather than dropping projects, I mostly try to fix architecture. Even by full rewrites. Where's Nigel today? Great question. I guess he's gonna join at some point. Wow, that's like unlucky. Or am I? I guess I can. Oh, too late. Well, anyway. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe Nigel's gonna join. He's been working on more plushes. Oh my god, there's a helicopter right here. So close to the ground. Insane. Anyway, so yeah, Nigel's been working on some plushes on a pull request. A helicopter. Yeah, literally. It was just flying there. It was pretty close. I mean, they don't fly very far up in the sky, I guess. Not very usual, but happens sometimes. Anyway, so I wanted to check, where did locale stuff go? Metadata, code and crane, join link. Where is locale stuff? I mean, I don't care about it, but like, where is locale? Where is localization? Internationalization. L10N, I18N. Anyway. Yeah. So I wanted to tackle attributes, right? Because we have, I'm gonna run this again. Because we have international airport. We will wake up in the middle of the night. I mean, I have an airport. Well, there used to be an airport when I was like 3 years old. It was not an airport anymore. There used to be an airport like 5 kilometers away from here, maybe less even. So it was like pretty close. Although, well, I live near the. Okay, so 5 kilometers is very approximate, by the way. I actually kinda live near the railroad. Yeah. But like again, I sleep like you cannot wake me up from my sleep by just whatever is outside. Anyway. So yeah, I wanted to do like attribute stuff. So we have declare. Eh. Become deaf. I mean, fair enough. Okay, so let's see. We have structs, we have functions. Where's the backend getting called? Here. Okay, so we have name, parameters, return type. How about attributes? What if I include attributes and like have function attributes type here? Or is that too much? I feel like that's too much. Or maybe return an attribute. Actually, returning is annoying. This stuff is annoying. I mean, generic is fine, I guess. But yeah, I'm not sure how to do this like cleanly. Cause I want to provide attributes like name mangling, calling convention, inlining, other things. It's gonna be a step up, and I should really engineer this like. Now, type list. Do you need any attributes for a type list? I mean, no, not really, but you do want attributes in here in the struct. So I'm gonna convert this to name struct, which is gonna modify a few files. Ultimate text editor, best editor. I have a feeling that I saw it at some point. That's wrong. Keybind. What? This. Best blazingly fast text editor without bloat like syntax coloring and LSP. And I see one line, hello world print. Isn't it? 10 seconds. Well, it's not 10 seconds, it's 3 minutes ago. But yeah, Sage. What? Oh, you're operator. You wanna start everything from the start using Jira for project. Well, I have never had to deal with project management really, so I don't know. Fortunately, I won't have to deal with it for like a while, but I will have to deal with like a big project. It's literally just one.rs. I mean, what else do you need? It's like bloatless. It's bloat free. Get ch. What is get ch? And curses. Oh wow. That's interesting. A6 lines. 1c. What? OpenAL or Mini Audio? No idea. I have not used any of them, but Mini Audio sounds like simpler. So it depends on the language, I guess. Although in C land you probably can use OpenAL just fine as well. I'd probably go with the second one anyway. You're trying on Cursus, yeah, and Cursus is nice. One ultimate text editor for C. You're lazy. Anyway, so yeah, fields, struct, array, actually, Kotlin. Do you have Kotlin? By the way, Kuko, you wanna get on the leaderboard again? I'm gonna ask you yet again, because if you do, like, you can get on the leaderboard. You're gonna be on the leaderboard. Like, that's all you want. That's all you'll ever want in your life. And you can beat Nigel one day. Shadow muted earlier when you were spamming too much. What? Do we need to like config Siri? Siri? Siri, oh, that's the wrong keybind. You can spam as much as you want. My human moderators hopefully won't do anything to you. Siri, Siri bot. Siri might have like done stuff. Wait, which? I mean, you have like the fact that you cannot spam identical message multiple times, cause Twitch. Cause that's how Twitch works. 14 HP. Punch. You punched Devninia. Helix was defeated. Kotlin received 6 HP. So yeah, level up your plushes and catch more, and you'll get on the leaderboard. Too much. Punch Kotlin, punch Kotlin, punch Kotlin. Kotlin was defeated. That was quick. Those blood. I mean, sometimes you just gotta use an engine or an operating system. Also, in this case, I do kinda agree. Like writing it in C would be a bit faster, like other features. But at the same time, Godot has hot reloading. But Godot doesn't hot reload images, which is annoying. And like in the way I'd like it to. But Godot has plugins. Godot has a bunch of features, and like I don't know how to in Logic. Okay, be careful with your words, with your words, because something might happen. I might like do it at some point accidentally or whatever. Just in case I decide to do it, here's my YouTube. Just in case I end up doing it. Anyway, so what was I saying? Boo, UT. No, that's YouTube where I do videos. Like my main YouTube channel where I make videos. It's fine. It's not just streaming. Although I am streaming on YouTube. Yeah. Oh my god, what's happening? Yeah, I wanted to check Seri configs. Seri.bot. I don't need aus. I just need Seri. Wait, Seri.bot. Wait, what? Seri. Docs.seri.bot. Twitch, Blue Sky, whatever. How do I like lower moderation? What is break timers? Help. Team help. What do you have? You have 2 plushes. Just get one more and you're gonna get on the leaderboard. Catch one more and you're gonna get on the leaderboard. If you want, you can catch Gnome here. Fun stuff. What is fun stuff? Serifan. What is Serifan? I like fun. What? Why can I not switch tabs in Firefox? Wait, what? Why can I not switch? Excuse me. Oh wait, what? Oh. Oh, what? Huh? Python is not in your team. Oh yeah, I guess you named it already. Okay, so I want this command here. Let me enable fun, because why not? Yeah, fun is enabled. Do what you want with it. Fleep and fleep. Hi Siri. Bye Siri. Good bot. Oh, good bot is there. Bad bot, nah. We're not doing bad bot. Axolotl fact. Baguette fact. Okay, I like this one. Oh, there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff like that. Although it's kind of boring. Okay, so I wanted to check the... What happened? No magically disappeared. Okay, you can have another one. Hey, you're not gonna punch me, are you? You can punch assembly. You can get assembly. Like, yeah. No, I wanted to say what I wanted to check is moderation. I don't want it timing you out. Add timers, raid stuff. I already have the stuff. Mod tools. Timer. Raiders. Oh, what? For all raiders in the current... I wonder what that is. Multi-shutouts. That is interesting. Disable timers, enable timers. What are timers? I don't have timers. Assembly is dead. Hey, try catching it. Quiet timers. Okay, I don't see any moderation configuration stuff, so I hope you caught it. Why are you not on the leaderboard yet, though? Show your team. Oh, show your plushie decks actually. Do bank plushie decks. Well, we might need one more. I don't know. Archinalis. Yeah, no, we should have it. Yeah, you have 3 plushies. Maybe it's sorting issue. So yeah, you can try another one. If on 4 it's not gonna. Oh, I'm detected. If on 4 you're not gonna appear here, then something's wrong. Then I gotta fix it. But anyway, so struct fields. Cause I gotta do some things here, right? After all, that's a compiler stream. Okay, function pointer. By the way, I mean I don't really have much. Hux was caught. Here we go. You're on the 3rd place. Yay! Finally, after like. What, 20 streams or no more? Probably. How much time has it passed since I added the leaderboard? It changed. I mean, last time it was Cumin here, and I caught some flashes with Chatri, and yeah. You don't have hacks? I have no idea. You have spent 0 seconds watching me. Excuse me. Okay, I know that's wrong. I actually don't know why it's wrong, but I think I saw this issue like before. Follow time, it's follow age if I remember correctly. Follow age, it's follow age. Anyway, when did it? Well, if you want hacks. 4 months. Yay. So yeah, Davnini, if you want hacks, you can catch it. You're gonna get one step closer towards beating Nigel. And if anyone gets one step closer towards beating Nigel, then it's good. 52 HP, too much. Actually, no, it wasn't too much. Okay, another chance. I'm gonna give you at least 3 chances. You overdid it. Like actually, that was weird. It took so much. It did so much damage. Like one last pass. I wonder if shield still works. Yeah, that still works. But it's like useless. Unless you spam it. Maybe I do it maybe I make shield last for like 3 seconds. It has too much HP. It has too much HP. It has too much HP. I'm sending the message in the chat just so that you come on. 56 is too much. Just hit it. Well, Davnini is strong. Davnini's plushie is very strong. It's pretty strong. You can ask Kuko to hit it once. And then it's probably gonna go down to like 15, 17 to 20. Yeah, you can do like or Z. Okay, you don't have much time though. You don't have much time. You need to hurry up. Okay, enough. Go ahead, catch it. Now you just gotta spam it. Spam it. It is rate limited to 1 catch per second. No, so close. Okay, where's the command? Last chance. It's not fast. It's not slow. It's rate limited. Lost all your stabs? So yeah, point is you are limited to 1 request per second. So that it's not too OP. So that it's not too OP. Okay, so I wanted to not as a moderator. Yeah, your messages as a moderator are not limited. As a moderator or as a VIP. However, in the bot I have limited your so I have limited all the moves one by one and catch command to work at most once per second. Because it's too OP. Okay, so I wanted to do to make shield a bit more fun. Hacks was caught! Let's go! You have hacks, Davnini, now. Yay! Now it's time for my plush to come back. Plushie Infinity. Also I misspelled it. Plushie. You wanna... Okay. Oh, it's not Python, it's Snake, right? If I didn't know that, that would be bad. Oh, you actually damaged me a bit. Wow. Snake was aggressive. You were. Oh, yeah, sure. You know what? I'm not gonna punch Hacks. I'm gonna leave Hacks alive. Unless that. Oh, you're gonna defeat me like that. Yay. Oh no! Okay, Davnia is gonna... Wait, why can I not raid? Why can I... Oh, it's Snake. Oh, why are those summons weird? No. I'm gonna die. I need to punch Snake. My past searching thingy just doesn't work. No! Jump. Wait, oh no. Davninia defeated me. Okay, it's fine. Like, I actually gotta do something with this pathfinding. Okay, so real quick, first of all, I wanted to do the shield, which isn't plushy lib. Also, if I do that, plushy instance. Also, I guess I can do this. I guess which language? Huh? Did I? Elixir? Well, Elixir is probably over. PL. Poland. Polish. Don't say it's Pearl. It's gonna be Pearl. You'll always love Elixir. Yay. Oh, PL is programming language. Well, I knew you liked Polish, right? What No. So that's an instance. So I wanted to have, I wanted moves to have states, right? Alice's projectile. I don't know. Oh, camel. Well, I guessed it, elixir. Okay. That's probably. I can't even guess. Oh, camel for .NET. Didn't even know that existed. Okay, so I wanted to make moves instanceable. F sharp? Well, I don't remember what F sharp is. All I know is it is a programming language. Okay, can I actually assign a class or something? FP for .NET. Wow. Or in oops, name in punch, attack, fight, physical. It's not 100% functional, but most of it is. Okay. So yeah, can I really? Okay, when I will plushie, so there's plushie. what is it? Oh, there's a plushy config, right? Plushy config. GD. Right, this. So plushy config has name aliases, groups, and moves. Dictionary of int per well, I'd love to do a class. No, not this instance. This script store type in variable. I mean, I could do callable. Okay, so maybe I do a type constructor here. So like, what is it? Callable. Actually, what is the script type int function name? Wait, not name, just function. Also, yeah, YouTube chat, right in the middle of the screen. Script callable type callable, whatever callable is. Oh, it's callable.create. Wow. So we have callable. Is it generic? It's not. Is it not generic? Huh? Okay, let's go. Let's say callable to create a move, and in here we'll do callable to create a move again. Now, actually, we do move prototypes again. What if I do this? Actually, not. Yeah, no. I'll keep that, and then in plushy config we'll have into string back to into string, and then in create plushy in plushy in here. So we'll have var moves, which is a dictionary of string to move, so they have instances. Now get move if well, actually, okay, no, in the instance. I'll do it. I'll do it in the instance. So it's generic move them out. So instead of this, I'm gonna do. Instead of this, I'm gonna do moves, which is move, which dictionary of level int to move. Or actually, it's just gonna be an array. How do we make an array in GDScript? Whoa. GDScript array type. It's just an array, isn't it? Array of move. Now, whenever we instantiate a plushy, instance load. So there's load. So this. So joins max, I can rename to max health, but we'll keep it, I guess. So we have this, we'll have moves. Equals this. I can also do this, right? So now for each just get move, get available moves. Do I get rid of this function? Get move. So I'll replace this. I'll replace this, I guess. Configs get move. Yeah, okay, well, I'll replace it. So for each move in, so this is config, this is plushy dot 3d plushy dot config. Get available moves for plushy level. And now, so I have an array of moves. Instead, I'm gonna do dictionary of string move, so it will be easier. No, oops. I'm gonna clone something, duplicate. I need to clone a class. A regular non-ref counted class. Resource, use resource. Script deep copy class. Because I mean, moves are just a regular class with no nothing. Becoming.exe hi. I guess duplicate works. So I was meant to do compilers, but again I'm doing my overlay. The things you're seeing in the bottom of the screen, which are alive and can move, and Twitch chat can interact with them, so yeah, maybe consider switching to Twitch, are plushies, and that's what I'm trying to make a bit more fun now. Move instance, which is a move, equals plushie lib moves move duplicate. Now for in move instance aliases, so we have moves move equals move instance, and then we'll have moves name or alias. The alias equals move instance. I can get rid of that, and now if I go get move, so we have this. This is gonna be plushie dot moves of this I'm gonna take this out. Now get move. Hit message. Instead of this, I'm gonna do and move sponge. I get to use this. So instead of attack, we have move dot perform screen plushie victim. Screen self victim is victim. Also, let me copy this again. Now in move, I'm gonna do the timeout handling. So var timeout, which is a scene tree timer, equals null. Func timeout, which will return a boolean if timeout return false, return true, time float, time, and then we're gonna have timeout. So on punch, if time out 1 return, unless if timeout. Oh, okay, so let timeout return true whenever we return. It's gonna be easier like that. Now for this, for shield, we'll have 5 seconds of cooldown, and actually 5 seconds of shield and 8 seconds of cooldown, or 10. Well, okay, maybe 8. Now for fireball, we'll have 1 second of timeout. For raid, we'll have 1 second of timeout. Okay, now this should, remove this here. Now this should have timeouts. Should have an effect on timeouts. Now overlay is gonna disappear for a moment. Now let's see. Parser. Timeout has the same function as a previously declared variable. Oh, right. I need to fix that. Oh, soul error. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. Timeout. So it's in plushie lib. I hate that there's no shadowing and stuff like that. Timer. Timer. Also, this is called timer. No, this should change things, but I think it's still not gonna run. Yep. More parsers. Couldn't find type move in the current scope. This is in plushie instance 3D because it's in plushie lib, right? Plushie instance type move plushie lib dot move. Also, move timeout is gone. Oh, and the rest of theirs is pretty much move timeout. And move. Oh, array. The dictionary. How did you figure out it's an array of strings, huh? Where did they go? In current scope, it's in. Plus, oh, it's. Yeah, that's wrong. Yep, identifier move wasn't declared in the current scope in instance line 38. On hit message, move sponge, perform. Yep. Now. Also, I have no idea if we have said anything in chat, but you haven't. Oh, hi Nigel. Hold on, let me just bring up the overlay again. And congrats on third. Because the overlay is not there, I can't really. Congrats. Also, I just can't see your messages in case you're writing them. Because I'm looking at the overlay issues. Okay, so let's actually I can do this. Move timeout, move timeout. By the way, Nigel, since you're here, maybe I should change graphics magic to image magic, because it just works better for gradients and things, but pixelation is still an issue. So I'd love to be able to override the view box completely. Yeah. Also, hi Penguin Operator. Both of the mods joining 1 hour into the stream. Great. How am I without mods? Okay, so move timeout, not declared in plushie instance. 110, 110, 111. Yay. Didn't I fix it? Did I fix it? Move timeout. Yep, it's not there anymore. That I fixed. Right? This. Oh, plush instance line 74. Maybe I check. And convert it to a PNG first using image magic, and if it's an SVG. No, why don't. If I'm using image magic, shouldn't I just use image magic altogether? Like, I'm gonna tell you, if you. Well, it's not a good example. If you just open convert plushie. Well, I'll try to replace it actually. So it was GM convert. If you replace GM by magic, that's all. I mean, it works. I mean, there's a problem because what is it? Border stuff is not supported. I don't remember. And also, like, even image magic will not be able to resize it the way I want it to. Because if you supply an SVG, but SVG's view box is like 28 by 28 pixels, image magic is gonna render the image in 28 by 28 pixels and then upscale it to like 512 by 512 or whatever I asked it. Anyway, so yeah, I fixed most of the issues, right? No, this works. No, wait, no, it doesn't. Move timeout in plushie instance line 110. Oh right, because move timeout is still there. Catch. Ooh, catch used move timeout. What do you? Who knew? Only I knew. Var catch timeout, which is a Steam 3 timer. Now. It's still pretty fine, right? That's Toml and Godot. Well, I'm gonna tell you the secret. It's not Toml. Well, it is valid TOML. All of my configs are valid TOML, but they are not really. So if we open plushy config, GD, here I think. So I'm using what's called a config file, which technically it's INI if I remember correctly. But I just called files TOML and wrote TOML and it worked, so yeah, who cares? Anyway. And also I have serialization and deserialization of JSON for arbitrary Godot classes. By the way, I wrote the serializer into the dictionaries myself and then used JSON stuff. And it's using type hints, it's fancy. Anyway, so catch timeout, yep, right. Close to start B, sleep, attack. So attack, yeah, I don't know. I might rewrite this, you know. I might rewrite it. You know what I might do? I might make moves nodes. I might make moves nodes into nodes, and that would be great. Oops. Stop. This is broken. You remember installing some. Godot does have a plugin package system. Yeah, it does. Still get available moves at instance 74. Oh, that's wrong. That's 74. Wait, that 74. Oh, it's config available moves, plushy level. Do I need to call this right? Wow. You just came in at an hour when ads start. Like, I'm gonna tell you, I have control over when ads run. It's not great. I can snooze them. But that would enable pre-rolls, and I also can change the schedule. But yeah, I decided that having 3 minutes every hour is better than having 1.5 minutes every 30 minutes, and I cannot make it rarer. So yeah, I have it at 3 minutes because I do not believe that actually whole 3 minutes play for everybody. Anyway. So yeah, Godot plugins, I know they exist. I am using one, in fact, for SoftBuddy. Okay, so what do I do? Alright, that I changed. I'll move in instance 75, right, because it's plushy leap. Move. So stretchy. So stretchy. Oh, it's almost parser. Plushy leap does not inherit node. Wait, what? Oh, by the way, Nigel, look. We've got a competitor right here. Is it declaratively mentioned in a Godot project? No, it's not. It's just copied into assets directory. Okay, actually, hold on, I need to turn on something off. It's getting way too hot. Front-end designed one? What happened? Front-end designer. No, please, no. Okay, so how do I fix moves? So we have config. Senior engineer. Wow. Nigel summon C. It's weird it didn't work actually. Oh right, I think just plushy leap failed. Yeah, it's on my side. I don't know why though. Actually, honestly, like the error, parse error, function get tree not found in base self. Oh, I know why. Get tree here. It should be seen or something. Well, I mean, if I extend node, if I do that, would it work? Like I have moves. Punch, shield, fire rate. Oh wait, what? Hold on, what? How? What? This is broken. Why is this working? Okay, the overlay is in corrupted state currently. Okay, so I wanted to change this up a bit. How though? Because I wanted to store names differently. I mean, okay, IDs are fine. Do I do callable? To create node. Node path, syntactic sugar, creating nodes. Just dot new and add child, okay. So make it callable after all. So it's gonna take no arguments and return a move. Oops. This is gonna be function. Or actually callable. How do we make a callable again? Like that. Punch new. And then I'm gonna move this over. So in punch, aliases. There's gonna be a list of aliases. I'm hard coding aliases in the code, right? So for shield we'll have protect. Fire's not gonna have anything. Actually, it should be default, right? We do equals. Will it work? I don't think it will. But oh well, we'll see. No. Let's timer. Need a little thing which didn't handle typers by panics, but literally making them impossible to write via syntax. What? How? How would that look like? Values of different types would not be first class for sure. What? You'll end up making JavaScript or something. which wouldn't care about types at all. At all, like at all. Actually, I just need those 3. Callable. No, I made moves callable. Now, plushie config just has moves. Plushie just has moves. Now, whenever plushie instance. So in load we have. You're writing a length from Unicoding and you need it to be both quick, no compilation step, and correct. Everything in 2026 should be correct. Vacations for Nigel had a very negative impact on him. Are you sure? Maybe there's a positive impact. Maybe he'll bring something to the table. I mean, yeah, I know, but I know about correction. You can have type checking without compilation, and you can have it very quick. You can have it run very quickly, especially if you don't have type inference. And after all, you can disregard type inference and typing may. Yeah, disregard type inference and half of the typing altogether. That's what I meant. Okay, that's getting political. Not getting there. Okay, so we have moves. Instead of duplicate, I'm gonna call it. So I'm gonna construct the move. Then I'm gonna add child move. Then I'm gonna do moves. Move equals move instance. Also, do I do static? I don't know if I can make static variable static. I feel like that's gonna be way too advanced. Static aliases. Wait, what? Did I miss one? Yes, here. Static. So add child for moves and we'll do that. Good. Now, that stuff. Means fine. Now, I'm gonna terminate this. I'm gonna have to. You did end up making flashes. Effects TypeScript. You tried using graphics magic on Termux and ran into the same bugs I have on my laptop. So like, why would you complain about this? It's not mobile. Like, it doesn't work for me either. Like I tested. Let's see. We have. Oh, actually, I've deleted the images. Right. So yeah, I tested. I ran. Oh, that doesn't work. I ran my script on the SVGs you sent. I got exactly the same output. On PC you use GIMP. Oh right. Wait, did you use Inkscape or something on your phone? Like, editing images on the phone is painful, sounds painful. 30 to 50 hours, oh my god. I code like... I don't code on my phone anymore. I'm past that. Oh, I need to log into Wakatime to see. Oh, by the way, I have a mail. I have a piece of mail in my mailbox, in my email, that's been sitting there for more than a month, about 2025 recap on Wakatime. I should probably show it to you, but first, let's just look at my Wakatime. Oh, I'm using Linux. Wait, that's wrong. I'm using Linux for all of my coding, this machine for all of my coding. I am using Helix for most of my programming, and yeah, let's not talk about that. Let's not talk about the fact that half of my programming time is spent in Linux inside of the Linux kernel. And also, what is this? I wonder what this is. C++ Rust Helix. Oh right, that's me preparing for the Olympiad. Right. So I wanted to open my mail. Happy delayed birthday. Oh yeah, happy birthday Davninia. Delayed, but yeah. So no syntax highlighting. Helix can do 3-seater on mobile. Okay, like, I have Termux on my mobile. I can test. I can test right now. Here, Termux. What do you do? pkg install Helix. Is it? I mean that. Yeah, that actually should support. I don't know if it has 3-seater to be honest, but if you build it from source, it should probably work. Oh, use proot stuff. I don't remember. I don't. I remember. I saw proot, but I don't know. I haven't used it. I never used it, and I don't really remember what it's about. But you have. I think you have Helix in mainline in the. Yeah, I think you have Helix in the thing. Yeah, you have Helix in the Termux package manager. Expected time for collections after the bracket in PlushiLibra D6. Wait, it's wrong. Line 6. Callable. Oh wait, that doesn't work, right? Proot distro install distro, proot distro login. Yeah, it's simple. It's just what is it? Shroot or something. Okay, here we installed Helix now. hx dot. Wow. What do you have here? Oh wow, there's actually some. Oh wow, there are. You know what I have in my downloads? Your submissions for the scripting language tournament. Guess what I've been doing on my phone? Okay, I also have Minetest. Oh what? Yeah, I have Minetest here. Okay, so let me open tictacboom.ruby. Yeah, Ruby doesn't have. Nix is seems almost impossible. Nix depends on systemd. But if you strip this away, if you like forget about services and use it for simple packages, you might be able to get it working. Although I will not do that. Actually, that's a fun challenge, getting some Linux stuff to work on mobile. Inside Termux, inside root stuff, right? Wait, all is live? Alkaline is live like very early. She's not gonna play my games though. Nix on Arch 64 doesn't even resolve dependencies. What? Now that's wrong. Also, hold on, I need to turn on the heater again. Wait. I am back again. Now, what do we have here? Oh my god. What is wrong with you? Okay, remove declared in scope. Flash instance 75. Wait, what? Oh no. No, it's 75. Yeah, because moving stance. Should be moving stance. Oh, what? Script error name Alice already exists in parent class. Yeah, I was afraid of this. Static. Can I do this? Wait. Wait. Static. Static. R64 isn't good architecture as well. It is. It is, in my opinion, very good architecture. I like Arch. In fact, I have read its ISA documentation. It is closed source, like, sure, but it looks great. Do static initializer. Static init. Is there static init in Godot actually? Is there static init? There should be static init in Godot, in GDScript. GDScript. I don't care about static typing, I need static init. There is static init. I just do, wait, I just do this. And this. And it should run. Yeah, oh yeah, that works. However, I do need to sway MSG. Yeah, by the way, I now have prints for all the groups. Isn't static init compile time? No, I don't think it is. Well, in GDScript, even if you have compile time, that compile time happens at the start. And static init happens at the start. So, like, you can say so, I guess. Apple Silicon, only good for a trash can. Apple Silicon is a nice development in the field, but useless in any other way. Arch 64 is ARM. ARM is great. At least compared to x86. x86 deserves to die. Like, already for a lot of time. Working on R6. No, x86 is horrible. You realize that your computer every time starts up in 16-bit mode for no reason. Good for Adobe Flash, because that thing had more security holes than I changed. Well, x86 has more holes, more design holes than anything you can imagine. Anyway, I wanted you to test plushes. I do not agree with you. I think infinite. Okay, so this should. Wait, I cannot tell. Okay, I need a simple plushie. Also, a lot of errors. Get space. All right, that's fine. Wait, why did I flee? Yeah, right. I need something easier on my team. Name three things where Arch ISA RISC instead of CISC. What else? Power consumption. The fact that it starts, the fact that it doesn't have to start in 16-bit mode. Lack of global descriptor table because it's useless. I mean, not. Well, yeah, it's useless. Lack of a lot of other useless features. Like, who needs a multiply without carry instruction? That's very useful. Also, I need to fix this, right? But yeah, if I plushy Astro, for example, I need to test. Wait. wait, I cannot. I can't click on the. Yeah. Clipping. What are you clipping? Okay, punch. No, I want to test with punch. I need to make. Okay, yes, that seems to have rate limiting. Now catch 5th function. Okay, that seems to be rate limited. Now what else did I need to check? Shield. Actually, there's no way I can check it really. Apart from it actually like taking time. Okay, that seems to work fine. Now what else? I really need to fix that. And I know it's easy to fix. Now I need somebody to click on it. Although first I need to. Oh, aliases. Attack. That doesn't work. Oh, cause I forgot about it. Wait, no, I didn't. I didn't, did I? Wait, what? So what Plushie Leap has is callables, and in here, where's the instance created? I call exactly. Then I do this and I do that. So I break Plushie. Exactly. I mean, that's just how it works. We create something, we are the ones to break it the most, right? Although you do like to break it as well, right? Don't you? No. So aliases. First I wanna fix this though. Moves. Func get move. Name. String. Turn splash. Leap move. Okay, whatever this clip is. If moves. Oops. If dictionary contains. Oh, it's has key. Bad board. Hey, don't. Why? Siri is nice. And my bot is also nice. Okay, has name. Return moves name, return null. Actually, I mean, do I really need this? Honestly. Bracket. Cute boss. Okay, so we have what? Where is? Okay, so this is the first one, right? It moves has punch. There exists punch. Now in screen, but Nigel, but the screen GD, wait, screen GD, moves same thing. If Plushie moves has arg0 sub stir1 unless return, otherwise we just get it and we perform it, right? Bad is like Michael Jackson bad. What does Michael Jackson bad mean? Okay, let's see if this works. I can scroll, but sure. Oh no, I need a random plushie. I need my plushie. Test. Okay, wait, test. Test does nothing. Now punch. Punch works. Attack. Attack doesn't work. Attack should work though. Called bad, which bad is the not is a not a negative adjective. I mean that's kind of unexpected. Okay, so here aliases. Oh wait, so I do aliases, but the GD script gets static variable from instance. Because I need a static variable. GDScript does not support static variables in traditional sense. What do you mean it literally exists? Static var count, if count. So I just printed this prints now. Yeah, because it's not static. Because you're not accessing the static thing. Put your entire project to GitHub. Okay, so that's not useful. Go to static variable. Oh, sorry, GD quest. Static var. And to get, you just access it. How do I access a static variable? Is player dead? Set player dead. Player died in a minute. Okay, so this was supposed to work. There are no static signals, I don't care. Okay, so maybe static init did not work. If I just do regular init, then func init, then I just make aliases regular packed string array. I didn't see that. Okay, so now it should have worked. Yeah, yes! Did you not realize that? Okay, so attack now should, yep, and punch also works. Okay. If anyone wants to, catch OpenGL, go ahead. Makes more sense to transpile to C++. To transpile a dynamically typed language to C++ doesn't really sound that easy. And also, like, you want it to be interpreted because you want debugging, you want a bunch of other things which would be harder to do when it's compiled, when it's transpiled. I mean, it's just not common to transpile languages like this. It's much easier to keep them interpreted. Much more common, at least. Anyway, so function. Wait, this function. I'm just switching. Doesn't make sense. Okay. No. Overlay changed. Anyone wants to catch OpenGL? Hey? Yeah, I'm gonna do this if you don't want to. I'm gonna have something to give out to people. Like what? No. Whatever. You can catch Krita though. You can catch Krita if you want. When Luau is on the board, I'm hidden away. I'm not gonna show up. I might actually like level up myself. At least like fairly-ish when I'm offline. Lua strikes fear. Lua indeed strikes fear into the heart of man. Why didn't you do Lua in the scripting language tournament? Or did you? Wait. Yeah, no, nobody did Lua. You did OCaml, and you did some TypeScript solutions, right? What if we did a season 2? Just thinking. Just like... just asking. Wouldn't that be cool? Would you participate? No, yeah, I wanted to do attributes, right? Name is not really attrs, return type is not really attrs. What if I did attributes or but like post? Post. Attributes. Function attributes. Or do we delay it? Do we delay it even more? Wouldn't that be annoying? There is no positive context for bad. Okay, what do we have for definition backend? CodeGen. Where's CodeGen? Backend. Yeah, right, exactly. Struct. Public struct. Function attributes. Attributes for a function. Derive clone. Debug default. Partial q partial or hash. Because why not? We'll probably get rid of like partial or hash maybe or queues. But clone debug default must stay. Maybe I will have to move default out as a separate thing. As like an actual impl. Okay, so what do we want here? Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Cgen librs. We're actually in the backend. Attrs or underscore function attributes or call. These functions are important. Now in generics also need to add this. We'll ignore them for now, and in Rust the lib, I think, backend function we'll do default for now, but we do allow them. Here's Ulvin. Okay, so that would be for the future. Still love test Nigel 1. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, so that's pretty simple. Also, CC, pipe into GCC. I mean, I can. I don't know if it's gonna work though. All of this is generic except main. GCC is gonna say like, "Hey, dude, you have main, which is first of all declared as void, and second of all, you don't even have the body for it. Like, what are you doing here? Get out there." But like, it would work, which is like a bit confusing output. I'm gonna move this. Oh, I don't have GCC. Guess what? Clang plus plus, or Clang. Actually, just Clang. Wait, it won't work. Dash. It's required when input in standard. Okay, eval. What did you give me? Oh wait, what is E? Oh, did it run it through the preprocessor? Okay, execute, or whatever that means. I did an X. Language is not realized. P. Okay, how do I? Okay, whatever. Test.c clang test.c. Change return type and no main. Linker command. See? That's what I said. Now, since we did some also PACTL, is it muted? Oh, I can't even tell. Yeah, it's not. It's fine. By the way, you're forgetting about the read chat command that exists. Nobody used it like ever for its purpose. I mean, Nigel has a few times. Anyway. Okay, so since we did some changes, let's push. Nigel, your pull request is outdated. I'm actually not gonna push convert plushie because it's a little still wrong. So what did you do? Moves are now nodes. Push. You didn't open APR yet. Yeah, but you do have a branch already. Also, GitHub constantly says that pull requesting from the main branch is an anti-pattern or something like that. Opening APR from the main branch is an anti-pattern, so you shouldn't do that, right? Anyway, say that's like mutation. Come on, mutation is natural. It's natural. It's so cold here. Yeah. Anyway, so anything else? Anything else? I mean, we could add some stuff to function attributes. else? We could also like actually make trades work. I should really write a to-do list or something for that. Actually, I should have a to-do list somewhere. Let me check. It's probably like weird and outdated. No, I don't. I have a to-do list for Satan, which is funny. Which is like halfway done actually. 4027 done. But I don't have a to-do list for Orcom. Yeah, anyway. You've opted in the music coding language to represent mutation as a state update instead of an in-place mutation, even though implementation might still do an in-place mutation. Oh, whatever. So I actually kind of like the way Rust does. Can we make it mutable and fancy words? So yeah, I actually like how Rust does mutation as in mutable references. It's like if you do, I mean, if you consider a mutable reference a state update, so like it's an in-out variable, as in you take it in and you also return it, but you return it through parameters. Huh? And then if you have a variable and you put it into a function which mutably borrows it, which has it as an in-out variable, you'll get a new variable out of it. So like you say you don't have mutation, but you do. But like it's exactly the same. It's just you call it differently. Anyway, I think I'm gonna be ending here. Yeah, short stream, but whatever. I need to do stuff. I'm gonna try. Actually, let me check my tomorrow's schedule. Because my schedule is a mess. It's a huge mess. I'm gonna try to stream tomorrow because tomorrow's Friday. And Friday is a streaming day. I managed to stream today, which is actually surprising. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, no. Maybe I won't stream tomorrow. My schedule is insane. Actually, I could stream like in the morning. Wait, no, I can't. Wow, my schedule. Whatever I need to do tomorrow, this is horrible. I have barely any padding room doing stuff. Anyway, what do you mean is let x equals 1, let x equals x plus 1 semantically means point x to the value of 1 sitting somewhere, not point x to the value obtained from adding x to 1. Somewhere. Put value of 1 in place of x. Whatever. Welcome back. So yeah, I mean it's 7 p.m. I have to like do other things. Okay, let me think. Okay, fine. I'll make a function attribute. If you really want me to, I can extend the stream for like a couple more seconds. FM test. No, it's made by Mac. So inline, I just wanna. How to do this? Never. Always. What's it? Can I get like always or never? This is always and never. So we have type stuff. I should really like move type out, by the way. I'm gonna do that, in fact. I'm gonna types, use types, type, type, you know. It never just works until it is you need to change a bunch of stuff and that clogs up the config. So all the stuff that you need in the past 2 weeks. Okay, so let's create a module at types.rs. Not gonna create whole thing. By the way, Orco, what do we have in Orco SRC? We have code-gen impulse, as in like nested stuff. Use super symbol, because that's useful. You'll say that the Microsoft plushie, they should be happy about it. Plushies don't have to represent good things, right? Like, right? We have plushies for. Actually, no, I don't have. I don't even have a plushie for JavaScript. But yeah, still, they don't have to represent good things. So, feel fine. Okay, now that's rude. Okay, types. No, I wanted to. Why do we have 3 different LibreSs open? This is C, this is Rust. Okay, now can I make address? Use address function attributes. So this is like this is gonna become powerful things, a powerful feature. Are a way to pass information about a function to the backend. I might change it so that it's IC stream writing C and say IC. I don't write C though right now. If you want, we can do a Linux kernel stream where I write C. Just kidding. Okay, so let's do pub inline. Always, never auto, always. Derive clone copy debug default partial q partial ordered hash, and also I'm gonna put default on this thing. By the way, default for enums exists. Wow. It's been the case for a while. This chat solely handly made your Twitch account be rate. Come on, Twitch, what's wrong with you? Okay, now I don't know why. Can I do something? Wages. Purple noon. Mod warn timeout. That's what is permit? What is permit, by the way? Maybe that's something I could use. No, it's not me. You spammed the commands. Okay, I wanna see permit. What is permit? I wanna Google it before I use it. You have heat extension. Maybe I'll do that at some point. Punching starts punching and catching start catching and no, that's not happening. Nigel is working on it. Which painter me, like, I'm afraid to click it because it might be like permit the user to be banned or something. Because I'm afraid of it. I'm afraid of it. But again, I'm gonna try. Hopefully it's nothing bad. Intel Sage. JetBrains. Nigel's gonna work on it, right, Nigel? Permit user. Okay, I'm gonna click permit. Hopefully, nothing bad will happen. Oh wait, permit is not a Twitch command. Yeah, permit is not a Twitch command. Okay. How do I make spamming? You told me. How do I make spamming like the most allowed? Moderation settings. Okay. Chat permissions, mail verifications, or view advanced settings. Do we have mail verifications? Some chatters. Email verifications off. Actually, okay, I'm gonna keep email verification. Actually, not. I'm gonna disable email verification. Well, I'm afraid. I'm afraid I don't want to disable it completely. This color looks bad. JetBrains Java. Honestly, it's weird because if it's aliased as JetBrains Java, it should have only popped up if you say JetBrains Java and not just JetBrains. Subscriber only, non-mod chat delay, block hyperlinks, no chat rules. Limited access. What is limited access? And lead mod. Who are lead mods? How can I make a mod a lead mod? Twitch, like what? Okay, auto mod message filtering. View advanced settings. How can I like disable spam? As in ability z channel protection. Just very slash bad. Okay, let me try that. Slow mode. I don't want slow mode. I'm not in slow. Oops, I closed this. I don't. No slow mode. Need to get back. Like I wanna disable rate limiting. It might be like on Twitch side though. I wanna allow spamming commands as much. Actually, Nigel, are you in a mod view? Can you check for mod actions if any of the bots were doing it? Banner requests, banned users, shared ban info. It's not what I want though. Oh, spamming reach. Like it's weird that nobody else got rate limited. Oh no. If any, check in mod actions, if any of the bots were timing Kuko out. Commands. Because that's not supposed to happen. Like, people should be able to spam, right? Because people do spam on Twitch. And it's like, it's fine for channels if they allow it, right? Should be. I don't see anything. Moderation analytics. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0. Nothing, no mod actions, no nothing. It says nothing happened. Like, how are you getting rate limited on Twitch? Holy crap. Ferris is good though. Ferris is nice. Oh no, ads. Add over. 3 seconds. It's fine though. It should be fine. By some. I wish there was a command like this. Like, I don't know. Nigel spams, Devninia spams, they are fine. Although they do have VIP and mod. So that might be by GTX. Do tell how what. Actually I can do a sub discount, but like it's useless because it's 5 subs or more. How do I allow spamming Twitch? Allow spam in chat. Yeah, but like this is different. They don't have rate limit, as in they don't have a limit for. Well, if you send a message, you can't send the same message within 30 seconds. They don't have that thing, and they also don't have you're sending messages too quickly, if I remember correctly. Wait, they don't care about the twice rule. I mean, I could give everyone mods and like be what's that? And become IRAD again. I mean, not again. Just be like IRAD, give everyone mods, and everyone has mods, and everyone can spam, but no one can. But it's like people can't. What is it? Wait, but people can't ban each other or unmod each other, because that's how mods work. Each one you buy 1 year later. Need to save money for that. I read Coder 1. Sure allows spams, violates community guidelines, influences. I mean, disable auto mode. I'm gonna just rip it out. Permitted terms list in moderation settings. What if I do pine? Okay, no, that doesn't make sense though, because they have more commands than this. Who's gone vanished? Who's gone? Devninia vanished or what? Oh my god, so... Wow, so many commands! I'm glad overlay filters them out. Guys, get higher on the leaderboard. You can do this. Okay, I actually don't see anything. And I'm afraid to ask you to spam to test, because you're gonna get rate limited and I'm not gonna be able to do anything about it. I mean, you can whisper to me, I guess, but they don't notice them normally. Oops. Like, look at this chat. First disappeared, by the way. I think. Is there was one. Chat was cleared by a moderator. Spam like is like, what? Also, how did you send this message twice in a row? Did you use BTTV or a 7TV thingy? Because I don't think this works on commands. On my commands, unfortunately. Although I probably should fix it. Okay, I should not look at Twitch's chat. Okay, Kuko, anytime you get rate limited, just whisper me. I'm gonna try to figure out how to bring you back. But the fact that I don't see anything in mode actions. Arrow up. Well, you have it. You can send the same messages again. Because you're a VIP. Kuka cannot do that. They build them. Nah. Twitch extension maybe at some point. Yeah, there is 7TV, which allows you to spam messages, but I don't. It adds an invisible character to the end of the message, and I don't think that works with my commands, unfortunately. So how do I? All right, I wanted to open. It's weird though. You shouldn't be rate limited. Okay, I'm gonna open mode actions. I'm gonna open the mode view to see. But I don't think cause I saw it say zero mode actions to the stream, unlike last stream, one mode action. So it could be either stereo or stream elements. Suspicious user activity, restricted 0, monitoring 0. There's nothing. There's nothing here. Unban requests. Nothing here. Predictions. Batch reporting tool. Only the Seribot ban thingy. Suspicious user activity. Reward requests. Whispers. TV is weird. You heard it. This colors you. Huh? I don't know that. On proper UI for stream interactions. Nah, you have heat. You have heat and that's enough for me. Active mods. You know what? What if I remove stream elements from a mods list? Is TeamMake yes, TeamMake is a programming language. Well, it should be at least. Wow. Because it is a programming language. You can do ifs, you can have variables, you can have, I think, loops. Like, you can have all of that. Like, why wouldn't it be considered a programming language? Okay, I actually don't think any mod actions, mod issues and stuff. Moderator help. How do I allow spamming? Is Groovy a lang? Groovy is a lang. Right? Yeah, Groovy should be a lang. I'll say that Groovy. Yay. One punch CMake, one punch CMake. Oh, what? Show stream all the plushies you added. Well, you haven't added them because there is no pull request, right? But I mean, I can if you want. I literally started typing bang GitHub in search bar. Okay, how's YouTube, by the way? YouTube's dead, as always. Also, I should probably move like that. GitHub. Also, you have it on your other GitHub account, which, like, sure, I don't care. Once you fix, well, you can just change graphics magic to image magic, and like also I have, honestly, I do have some things I don't agree with in here. Okay, so here's changes. Yeah, you're missing another name, which is not a swear word. Switch or whatever. A PNG. This is like visible, by the way. The rectangle is visible. Also, like rectangle feels too big, but whatever. Not only that, there's like I added it myself. Cobol. Wait, what? Let us go. Huh. Because I'm not accepting swears in here. In my configs, no swears. Okay, I actually don't know why. Oh, here, Cobol image rendered. Also, is L disconnected? Wait, Nigel, is L disconnected? Excuse me? No, that's broken. L shouldn't be disconnected. But yeah, it renders like that, and it also renders SVG like that as well for me. Now, Eclipse seems fine-ish. Now that, fourth. So the fourth image is too pixelated. Oops. Fourth logo. In the SVGs it was fine. It wasn't, because SVGs have different fonts. What is CTF? Hit alone. You can click on plushies and hit to damage them, right? It's supposed to be pixelated. Then like upscale it to be pixelated, because it's pixelated. Because it's not pixel. It's when you upscale it, it's blurred. That's the issue. Now, Groovy. Wait, Gradle. Gradle has issues with gradients, and also I think Gradle has issues with icon size. Hit is not Twitch native. Gradient, yeah, I know, but I think it's also icon size. Well, not really icon size. It's just so viewbox of SVGs defines their resolution. Like this is especially visible here. You see the pixelation. It's Groovy. That was Gradle. Groovy is here. Groovy actually looks great. Oh wait, that's an SVG, right? PNG, I think PNG also rendered well. So yeah, look, IntelliJ, problem is with viewbox. Viewbox defines it as like what, 48 by 48 pixels, and so ImageMagick renders it and then upscales it, which is an issue, which I'd like to fix. And also, yeah, gradients don't work. That's, you know, well, we all know that. Now, similar issues with some other, with some other plushes, which for some reason do not load on my site, but whatever. So Nigel, not only gradients, which you can easily fix gradients by replacing ImageMagick by GraphicsMagick. Oh, wait, the other way around. GraphicsMagick by ImageMagick. JavaScript is in the PR. So yeah, gradients are fixed by ImageMagick, but pixelization, now that needs to be fixed. It's not, cause I don't know, it just doesn't load for some reason. Cause there are too many images, and GitHub's like, hey dude, you're loading too much traffic here. Not gonna give it to you. Or my browser's like, hey dude, you're loading too much. I'm not gonna handle that. Anyway, so I did want to try WebP. WebP is not gonna help. No, that's not the issue. Okay, so I wanted to check yearly code stats. Can I get? Again, can I get like? A new window? Will it show? Will it leak something? I don't think it leaks anything. Yeah, I think it's fine. So, Waka time. Code stats report for 2025. Yeah, I should have reviewed that for a while. I literally had it in my email. Also, like, why is it so narrow? Can I make it less narrow? Can I make it more full screen? Print? Eh? Weird. Anyway. So yeah. There is code stats. Well, I'm already using Waka time. I don't wanna... I don't wanna switch. I'm too lazy. Level 29 on TypeScript. And that's it. Git commit message level 7. Wow. Top flow languages. What are flows? Oh wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool. But yeah, I kind of like Waka time better. I don't know. It's also easy to integrate. Anyway, code stats for 2025. 669 hours code. The top 6%. Yeah, 2 hours of daily average. I had some days where I was busy. Listen. And also, I had a lot of... Oh, hi, Algoland UZ over on the YouTube side. Trying to not miss YouTube messages. Anyway, so yeah, I had a few, quite a lot actually, of cases where I was either drawing stuff or programming where Waka time could not reach. So that anyway, Helix ID of choice, Linux top OS, obviously Rust is top language, obviously. Most active date, July 31st, 2025. Interesting. Sunday is the top weekday. What else? Happy New Year. More than 500k developers spent a combined 61 million hours programming. Tricks with Waka time stuff. The average person spent 51 minutes per day. Almost the same as last year, but about 30 seconds more on average. July 31st on GitHub. There's actually like a very good chance I have not committed that day or whatever I was doing that day. June, July 18th, 24th, August 3rd, August 1st, July 31st, 2 contributions. I created 3 labs. I created the 3 labs repo. So yes, that suggests that I was working on the 3 labs game. Anyway, alright, that was the day where I streamed for like a lot of time. That was like my longest stream, probably ever, with me talking. Actually, it probably was my longest stream ever. That's like actually me doing something. Dude, you're kidding me. Mm. This! By the way, let's play it, because why not? A quick side tangent. Oh. Mod poll. You mods, you do polls. Oh, yeah, right. You're gonna have... Where am I from? I'm from Belarus. You're gonna have a bit of... a little nausea. Oh my god, I'm so bad at it. Okay, so you can actually like get time advantage in this. Also, this is like a hard challenge to just you don't have to do this. This is just hard to make it faster. This made in Love 2D. I'm pretty sure that is made in Love 2D. Oh, I missed a jump. I'm pretty sure that is made in Love 2D. Also, I love the graphics here, honestly. No. Lua. No, Lua's great. I'm not gonna complete 3 laps. Completing 3 laps in this game is actually like very difficult. Because depth perception just doesn't exist. Oh, actually you can do this. Wait. Right, you can... No more... honestly, I don't know. I think I still like Java more. Because, you know, I like Java. I spent so much time on Java. Programming in Java. Java was like one of my favorite languages. On par with Rust and C++. C even didn't get as much. Do I do 3 laps? Do I do all 3 laps? You can line up to get on the rock, by the way. Ooh, shorter, quicker. You only know Java from Minecraft? Well, I know Java for more than Minecraft, and I did Java stuff in Minecraft. But I did Java stuff in Minecraft. In fact, I did some very recently. Oh, I missed some. This was still faster. Oops. I fell down. Oops. No! So close! Yeah. Sometimes you want to become a cyborg? What? Sleepless working, absolute coding instead of sleeping? Huh? Ask Jax, he's been doing that. Ooh, I did the jump, but I failed it. I fell. But I did the jump perfectly. Like, you can train for this and you can actually get this jump, like, great. Just 3 seconds. Oh no, I don't think I'll be able to do faster this time. I fell. I do like the graphics. I spent a bit of time on graphics. In fact, I probably spent most of the time on graphics instead of programming. I was about to give up on here. I also was going to make a video on this game. You know, bad. I failed one, but oh, still slower. Now this I should do better this time. Yay! Finish 4 minutes 12 seconds. Actually, that's pretty good. But this is hard. This is a hard game. 357, my personal best probably. Oh, in Merlin. Hammer is too reactive. So true. Anyway, Merlin. Anyway, so I wanted to continue. This is nah. Wait, I have another one. Okay, so devs using AI integrated IDs, 50% VS Code, 14% cursor, whatever. IDs without AI tooling are decreasing in usage. Python took second place, pushing JavaScript in third. TypeScript is still the most used language. 2 minutes left to vote. Wait, what happens? What happened? Hold on. Vote. I mean, average over the year, it's actually good. News milestone. Top used languages: TypeScript, full-time TypeScript, part-time TypeScript, contractor TypeScript, student TypeScript, manager TypeScript, founder TypeScript, hobbies TypeScript. TypeScript is just the most used language, and VS Code is the most used IDE. You'd code in like 24 hours a day. That's the answer. Also, IDs: VS Code, 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 VS Code. Mac is top. Mac. Wow, everything is just Mac. And I'm obsessed with German. And so, and you're saying, you're asking who? Oh, you're asking Penguin. Right. Actually, great question. Actually, a great question. It's just a popular language to learn. Anyway, now I just can go into the archive, and yeah. Now, 2.5 hours. Was better than German. Now, 2.5 hours. Also, I'm gonna do inlining. I'm gonna rename this to inline. Oops. Inlining like that. Okay, I'm gonna visit that, revisit that. It's moon in Brazilian Portuguese. I mean, makes sense. Anyway, let's rate somebody. Who should we rate? CPP's food gun in English. CPP's food gun and programming. American fellow revealed. Wait, what? Oh, wait, oh. Oh. I must have the... What makes instrument doesn't... What? What? What am I reading? Whatever. Okay, who do we rate, guys? Tito's life, Christopher's life. Actually, let's check for compiler, guys. Rate bed. European. Written language in the program whose pronunciation is determined on its spelling, unlike English. Can't imagine that. Compiler. Let's search for a compiler streams. Nothing really. Let's rate somebody. Nigel, rate whoever you decide to. Actually, that should have been the mod poll. You have like 30 seconds to pick a person to rate. Or else I'm gonna end the stream without raid. That's how you put pressure on somebody. That's how you pressure your mods. Oh yeah, and did I ask again, if I were to do a second season of the scripting language tournament, although it would probably not be scripting language, not just be scripting languages, and it would probably be like different. Would you participate? Anyway, thank you all for joining. I think all of you are in my Discord. Anyway, oh, I need to open this. Hold on. I need to open the stream in another tab. Their stream. Anyway, thank you all for joining. I'll see you. Czechia. Poland, maybe Slovakia. Wait, how are you like? Which country are you from? Naming 3 countries. Anyway, thank you all for joining. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Yeah. Bye. Which glitch? Ah. Well, anyway, it's gonna raid by itself soon. Does it still say negative to sums? By the way. See, I asked you, would you participate in a programming language tournament? Guys. You could, by the way, you could team up in scripting language tournament. You didn't. None of you did. Anyway, goodbye. No? Ban давнение. Make sure the raid goes through.